Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman & Associates. Recently we got a question from one of our prospective clients. How do I avoid losing my savings during a divorce? Well, there's a lot of ways to lose your savings during a divorce. If you mean by that, how do I avoid splitting savings with my soon-to-be ex, not a whole lot I can do for you there. Odds are your savings, in most cases, will be a marital asset, and the marital asset will be subject to division. And that means that you're going to get a piece of it, and your spouse is going to get a piece of it, and that's going to be it, as well as the other assets. Now, if the divorce hasn't started yet, and you're concerned that somebody's going to take money from your joint account, go off to the casino and blow it on, number 23, if that's what you're worried about, well, you've got a real concern, because without a case pending, without a court order, there's nothing to prevent one person from going and blowing all the money. I mean, there's no way to stop that. If you think that that's going to happen, if you're really in fear that unless something occurs, your wife will take all the money and blow it, your husband will go bet it on the horses and lose, if that's what you're worried about, then here's what you got to do. Number one, you got to start your case. Call us immediately. We'll start a case. We'll ask the court to freeze the assets to prevent the parties from, any expenditures that aren't a part of your regular living, specifically to preserve the savings. If you're worried about that, that's what you should be doing. Now, a lot of times, clients will call us up, and I will ask them, I'll tell them, look, are you concerned that without a court order, your husband may go and blow all the money? Your wife may go on a shopping spree, and then it'll all be gone. She'll give it to friends or relatives. Are you worried about that? A lot of times they say, oh, my spouse would never do that. I know my spouse. And I tell them, look, you're the country's leading expert in that person. If you are satisfied that they would never do that, great. But always remember one thing. You're a person who really thought that you were going to stay with this person for the rest of your life. And you can't believe that he did this or she did that or he cheated on you or she wants a divorce. All of a sudden, the person that you thought you knew is now different. This is the person that now doesn't want to have anything to do with you. This is the person that's divorcing you. So, in light of the fact that you are now surprised by what's going on, can you really rely on what you think you know of that person's spending habits? Maybe you can. Maybe you can't. But I'll tell you one thing. If there's a lot of money involved and your security post-divorce depends on your being able to get half that money, you damn well better make sure that you take appropriate steps to preserve it. And there are ways that lawyers can help you do that, and there are ways that you can screw it up and not get a dime. Therefore, if you're in that situation, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like and share.